How to make a Facebook Marketplace post shareable. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we're going to make a Facebook Marketplace post shareable. So all you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Meta Business Suite, or you can access this through your Facebook, and we're going to click on Create Post. And once you click on Create Post, basically it's going to ask you to compose a proper post. And while you're composing a post, let's say I'm gonna add something into my page. So, a new market post is up, check it out. Okay, you can add that. And once you add these details in, you can, add whatever type of widget or emoji you want to go with, add a photo if you want to. And whilst you're uploading this, you're going to have to make sure that the share button can be seen. And that's why I use the Facebook Meta business preview, because through Meta, it becomes shareable. So as you can see, the share button is there, and this is obviously my marketplace post. So I'm going to click on publish your post, and that automatically publishes my post. And here we go. So that is how you can make a Facebook Marketplace post shareable. Just use your Meta Business Suite and everything should be good to go. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.